Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the AC pressure switch on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. If you want to see where the AC pressure switch fuses and relays are located, we're going to explain that today. We'll talk about hidden fuse boxes. Guys, that's information that can practically save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. AC pressure switch fuses relays. Come guys, we'll show you what you need to check on that generation Chevy Equinox. Quick advice to save you money, guys. 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram, a video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. And what we guys need to do now, here we'll be working 2 fuse boxes. First one, we need to go ahead and open the front right door. When you do that, you're going to come in the footwell compartment on the passenger side, and on the side of the center console here you have that cover that you pry it open, and underneath you have that fuse box layout here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here, guys, we need to check 3 fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box, check a few more. All these control the climate control system. If you have problems with the AC pressure switch, check all these fuses. We are starting with that fuse 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Fuse number 12 will need to be checked right here, fuse number 12. Then we go to fuse number 14 right here. Check that fuse, guys. Next, we need to check fuse number 29. Right here. Then what do we need to do? Open the hood, guys. When you open the hood, facing the engine on the driver's side, here on the right side, that's the driver's side, next to the brake fluid reservoir, that's the cover. Open that cover, and underneath you have that fuse box layout here. Specifically in that fuse box we need to locate now, guys, fuse 31, which is right here. Okay, very helpful, very important fuse, and relay 62. All these components will need to be checked. If you have problems where the AC pressure switch doesn't work, you tested it, you replaced it, still doesn't work on your Chevy Equinox, guys. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, the interior fuse box, we want to show you have 2 kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.